Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be unboxing and demoing, show you some new products by this company called Chalk of the Town. This company has taken personalization to like next level. Chalkboard patch and markers kit where you could draw, share, erase, and repeat. It's so good. I'm all about that. So let's get started. I think I'm going to show you this first, the patch, and then we're going to work on these tote bags. They also make shirts, and I'll show that in a separate video. You could also see my past videos on my YouTube channel and my Chalk of the Town playlist, or you can click on the link at the top of your screen. Okay, so we also have stencils. This is great for camp. Whenever the kids go back to camp, hopefully some of your kids are going to camp this summer, you can get these and they can personalize their own shirts. Let's open up the chalkboard patch and markers first. I have a white marker and a blue chalkboard marker. Oh wow, it's really cool. It has like really sticky surface underneath like the wax. You could also use the stencils if you wanted to. Now you have a small area to use them. Since the patch is so small compared to like a shirt or a tote, I would choose something really small. But what's great is that they have all different kinds of stencils. They have a camp stencil, birthday stencil, a best day stencil, peace stencil, and a space stencil. I think this lightning bolt would be good. Now, you know what? I think I'm going to erase some. I'm gonna erase this music note, and it's super easy. You just wet it and then just wipe it off. Use a green one from another set and just trace it. Next is the chalkboard tote, and this one actually comes with a heart-shaped design, and you're only going to be writing in this area because that's the wipeable space. Anything outside of that is not wipeable. Just do everything inside the heart, and it comes with a wipe cloth, 2 markers, and instructions. This tote bag comes with a thicker marker tip because you have more writable space, if that makes any sense. So it comes with a pink one and a white one. It's a great bag too. It actually is really nice bag. You can fit a good amount of books in here, and it even has like a lay flat design at the back, or at the bottom rather. And we have like this side gusset over here, so it opens up really wide. It's not like necessarily like a shopping bag, but perfect for books, like going to the park, bringing the kids to like a play date or something. Plus, kids can even decorate it too. How about I love to dance. We could just put dance inside. We could do that, or we could just wipe it off because it's kind of cheesy. We could just spell out dance in a cooler way. I think this looks much better. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I'm going to continue on in other videos showing you the other cool items that we got sent from Chalk of the Town. Let me know what you think of my designs. Do you like the patch? Would you do the same with your awesome tote bag? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much to Chalk of the Town. Stay tuned for more videos showcasing more of what Chalk of the Town has to offer, like t-shirts, more tote bags, more patches. Thanks for watching and have a great day.